In a simple threaded worm wheel, the number of teeth on worm wheel is 50. Number of teeth that is given by capital T, which is equal to 50. Diameter of the effort wheel, that is the bigger one, is equal to capital D, which is 200 mm, and that of the load drum, where large amount of force is being imposed, which is 100 mm. Calculate the velocity ratio, efficiency of the machine. Efficiency is given as 20%, and determine the effort to lift the load of 300 newtons. So the load is 300 newtons. For that, the corresponding value of P needs to be computed. So velocity ratio is given by teeth of the number of teeth on worm wheel into the radius or else the diameter of the diameter where the effort has been imposed. So effort wheel diameter, that is capital D, divided by this diameter of the wheel where load is being attached, that is small d. So T is 50 into 200 divided by 100. So these two zeros will cancel out, and this will be 50 into 2, that's 100. Velocity ratio is 100. So remember that for reduction ratio or velocity ratio in the devices like worm wheel is going to be somewhere between 20 to 100 times. Okay. And next is the mechanical advantage, or else we can compute efficiency. Efficiency equal to mechanical advantage divided by velocity ratio, which is W by P whole divided by VR, and this is equal to 20%, that is 0.2 is equal to W is 300 divided by P is not known into 100 it is. So P will be equal to 300 by 200, which is equal to, this is 300 by 20, and that's equal to 15 newtons.